How to generate futuristic mecha robot with AI in Bing.com. Open Chrome. Search Bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Here you can write your prompt. Dreamlike art 3D render mech running on the high-rise buildings at night in Tokyo. The blade across the night sky. Cyberpunk warframe stealth armor neon lights character design hard surface smooth detailed face highly detailed intricate details symmetry volumetric lighting ambient light real-time VFX digital 3D UD HDR. Click on Create. Wait a minute. Boom, check the result.